kwa Asante mantemu ni asenya da abeto boatwa asu fraw saada na mpafi besi ubetumi adibone ada kopɛ na awurade wayi to krata ni ayire wo se trew na yase ayi oe kia grand bed bi a etu kwan eduru ayamforo ene ne potamu wo muduru na chese police fo asipampim e wo ho twapiase police balia e wo wa chese uduru ani agina ho ni ahwehwe ka ni mu ahwehwe se bia no mabone bi hyemu a ampani nuane ampa police fo ko ye hwehwemu a na wedi ani yasi nu bone ni abobo no boa ena hyehya adie mu na police fo ase ne munsimra nya obi na akuma twibo si akona na wopena wie wo no ne tri akwaje akyerema wa mukɔhwe mu a yasi tramadol ya bio tramadol ya nkura inu mu a na wo mani aye sign te said yeti o mo ba bi so na ja yi asema wo ni nipa kan wote ase wanti ase obosi na ni e ba bi te sa lukumiluku London enu bi ka ho eni ase ba ku bi ya friend tapendo yase anu so enu bone ni bia tapendo ni nyina da e ka ho bie eti police fo ya na ja wo shankani anwane na de shan no enam no wo mo yire ni se treo ya friend Joseph Nkrumah enu mo si jobra na no ma ye gu kam e de ne begu kam no so wanu di oni mu hwe do oni msa ne maame awo na ja ni nua eno no so wanu de e hye no watwie etu abetre kire a wonya ka wom se tanwe driver watiche ye kowu na bufudade asareta watia so eduru ba bi oso obobreka abotedade breki nu watia so nu obo aba pepe popon ne mom se nu ma egu hye ni mu pa wo kaso ni mu bawa na just wabra nyame na wono no de watie ene se nu ma ne ababa wo bi de friend perpetua enu amose nu ma ne ye ne dia na wo de ye ntie police panyimpa ukopie mu Asante South a waja wone na da wo man DCOP Joseph Hamon nyaba ne sama wo de to centrofo anim.
The Boise police have intercepted and seized large quantities of assorted prohibited drugs at Chopiasi police barrier on the Boise-Dunkwa highway. The consignment of the drugs, which is made up of 257 packs of 50 milligrams tramadol, 58 packs of 250 milligrams tramadol, also known as red, 58 packs of 225 milligrams tapendol, also known as royal, was intercepted on the 13th February 2026 whilst being transported on a red OA Kia Grand Bed bus to Ayamfree near Dunkwa Onofin in the central region. Upon intercepting the said bus at the barrier, the police conducted a search and found 2 sealed brown boxes containing the drugs. The driver, Joseph Nkrumah, 37 years, was immediately arrested. And during interrogation, he mentioned one Perpetua, a native of Ayamfree, as the owner of the drugs. On the next day, that is 14 February 2026, whilst investigations was underway, the said owner of the drugs, together with 3 others, namely Dynamens and 40, Abna Neya, 43 years, and Nanekria, 35 years, showed up at the same Chopiasi barrier with a cash of 50,000 Ghana cedis to grease the palms of the police. The police took the money and immediately arrested suspect Perpetua and her 3 friends for further investigations. The cash of 50,000 Ghana cedis is also retained for evidential purposes.
Wafanyine kotie nini Asante South police sadom no ne panyipa wada wo mano DCOP Joseph Hamon nyaba ena 3 years wo chiremu say ayi winning red ewiase yetum mintimi na komani su yetum ayase no bi ka ho red ne yase ne friend tapentado no ne brof no tapentado say no na bi friend Putin o say hwan Vladimir Putin no red yase no bi ka ho an say edimba ko o mo de friend no kwa Putin omo friend Vladimir Putin yes wonom na kwa oyema na afi apai se boom ntina afi wani so ada ho ebewiase afi oto ana utonku wo ka omzo ye che glory yo edi omo friend utonku a omzo omo che glory wo de chire bedi honkomo na police say research ena say shine gira mechi no nso e base ye nko gato ne ye so enyo ono na kwa ye friends esikodo na ne ye na red into ono buy so abo me briefy na ni nyina da emu no no say what they to ni pabone for one potamu anim say o manga na hanyina da wobetumi afo afoforo e de akini wo mamunto no na ntwa so na emom say Asante South pa potamu de wamoma abakra no watiawe wamoma hwene no wahomem enti wompene toto mpene no a wobone ya wudie no memfansi potamu enti sa wudi su wo no ba chia yam de siado anwoma so ama Ghana de hye hu so
The police took the money and immediately arrested suspect Perpetua and her 3 friends for further investigations. The cash of 50,000 Ghana cedis is also retained for evidential purposes. Meanwhile, the suspects will be put before court today, Monday, 16 February 2026, on a provision under the Public Health Act 2012 Act 851, prohibited sale of drugs, herbal medicinal products, cosmetics, medical devices, and other household chemical substances. The Asante South Regional Police Command is hereby reiterating its warning to criminals to avoid the jurisdiction in the course of perpetrating their nefarious trade, as they would find the Asante South terrain very hostile.
Perpetua any very hostile and artist what they atu jani tuba Facebook wa woba Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram enropa kwia enubani o tapentado any drama do aches wo sumpa de gu anka nkrofo ma ekonoma seye nkrofo ma ekonoma seye na wo sadi sika we di 200 Ghana any 50 Ghana bondro ni nyina ka ho bi ne eche wo mo a etuba Facebook wa eno na wo ho no eno na wo no DCOP Joseph Amond nyaba en wo de wo ne kokobo wo de atudwa no
any afro